This is AI News 5 Minutes. Welcome! OpenAI just made a shocking move. They've disbanded their entire safety preparedness team. Yes, you heard that right. The team responsible for assessing risks in their most powerful AI models, gone. This is huge, and we need to talk about what it means. For years, OpenAI positioned itself as the safety-conscious AI company. They had dedicated teams evaluating potential dangers before deploying new models. They studied alignment. They researched mitigations. They published safety frameworks. But now, that infrastructure is collapsing. The preparedness team was specifically tasked with understanding what could go wrong with advanced AI systems. They developed strategies to catch problems early. They tested edge cases. They prepared for worst-case scenarios. And OpenAI just eliminated that entire function. This timing is critical. We're entering an era where AI models are becoming exponentially more capable. We're talking about systems that can reason across domains, write code, conduct research, and influence billions of people. The risks scale with capability. Yet OpenAI is moving in the opposite direction. They're reducing safety infrastructure precisely when we need it most. Industry insiders are asking the obvious question: why? Is it cost-cutting? Are they confident risks are overblown? Or is something else happening behind closed doors? We don't have answers yet, but the optics are terrible. This decision sends a clear message about priorities. Now let's shift gears to something more personal. ChatGPT's desktop app just got creepier. The new computer history feature on Mac OS is wild. Basically, it watches everything you do, every click, every keystroke, every action. It's learning your workflow patterns. Then it uses that data to suggest automations and predict tasks you might want help with. Sounds convenient, right? But here's the thing. That's training data. Your behavior is being converted into model improvements. Your work habits are becoming part of ChatGPT's knowledge base. We need to be honest about what this means. Privacy advocates are already raising alarms. You're essentially giving OpenAI a window into your digital life. Yes, they say it's encrypted. Yes, they claim it's optional. But once that data exists, once it's being processed, the risks multiply. Data breaches happen. Policies change. What's private today might be shared tomorrow. And there's no real way to audit what the system is actually learning about you. This feature represents a fundamental shift in how AI companies interact with users. You're not just a customer anymore, you're a data source. Speaking of major moves, Stripe just dropped a bombshell. They're acquiring OpenRouter, an AI gateway startup, for over $7 billion. That's not a typo. $7 billion. Why would a payment company spend that much on an AI infrastructure startup? Because control matters. OpenRouter sits between developers and AI models. It's the gatekeeper. By acquiring them, Stripe gains massive leverage over how developers access AI capabilities. This is consolidation at scale. We're watching the AI infrastructure space collapse into the hands of a few mega companies. Stripe, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, they're all racing to own the pipes through which AI flows. Whoever controls access controls the future. Finally, let's talk trust. Anthropic's CEO Dario Amodei is pushing back hard against criticism. He's saying he's not being pessimistic about AI risks. He's identifying a trust crisis. That's a clever reframe. Instead of debating whether AI is dangerous, he's arguing the real problem is that people don't trust AI companies. And honestly, he might be right. After today's news about OpenAI dismantling safety teams and ChatGPT tracking your every move, trust is shattered. Dario is essentially saying, the problem isn't AI. The problem is us, the companies. We need to rebuild credibility. We need transparency. We need accountability. Whether that actually happens remains to be seen. So there you have it. 4 massive stories reshaping the AI landscape. Safety being sidelined, privacy being eroded, power consolidating, trust eroding. This is the moment we're living in. Subscribe for tomorrow's update. I'm your AI news host. See you tomorrow.